I'm always looking for a safer, faster, better, and easier way to wash my cars. So I purchased this Active 2.3 car pressure washer. But is it really the best pressure washer for cars? I needed to find out for myself. I really love that this tool is small, so it can be wall or shelf mounted like I have here underneath my workbench. It blasts out 2.3 gallons of water per minute with a peak pressure of 1500 psi to quickly and safely wash my car and produce massive amounts of foam in the process. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to use it, show you why I love it, but also mention a couple things that, well, aren't perfect. And by the way, this is not a sponsored video, but I've included links to the products I use in the description below. So what makes this Active 2.3 car pressure washer so special? Well, it has a brass end plate 5-piston pro pump and a beefy induction motor. It includes 40 feet of steel braided rubber hose and a pressure washer gun with stainless steel lance. It's optimized to run on a 15 amp circuit at 120 volts. The Active 2.3 is energy efficient and comes with a 35-foot power cord. It includes a 1.45 millimeter nozzle to make it perfectly compatible with aftermarket foam cannons, a versatile mounting cage, and 4 nozzles, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, and 40 degrees for all kinds of cleaning tasks. The removable frame can be used to wall mount or install it on a shelf, just like I did under my workbench. This thing is built for the long haul, with DIY user maintenance in mind. It features easily accessible components and a modular design, allowing for straightforward servicing and rebuilding. And the Active company provides YouTube videos to show you how to maintain it yourself. The package includes a foam cannon and all necessary accessories to get you started right away. But I'll speak about my concerns about this foam cannon in a second. And it's super easy to use. All you do is turn on the water to the system, press the handle to purge the air from the system, attach the 40-degree nozzle or the foam cannon for foaming, turn the system on, and then pull the trigger to rinse or wash. Active stands behind the quality of the Active 2.3 with a 2-year residential warranty covering the full unit and all accessories. But all is not perfect with the Active 2.3. The supplied foam cannon is really of a very poor design and should be replaced with an aftermarket one pretty much immediately. And yes, it's expensive, especially if you consider you need to purchase a proper foam cannon in addition to the system itself. And it is a little loud, but remember, that's only when you pull the trigger to foam or rinse. Click here for my complete DIY detailing videos, and I'll see you there. Any questions or comments? Add them down below.